this is a very long overdue room tour. This room has changed from the past 2 years, but I wanted to show you guys nothing much has changed in the entrance. I still have my vanity situated right by the door, but the main thing that I changed up in this room is to move all my storage and my craft things on the other side of the room. So I pushed the bed all the way to by the window. If you guys don't know, if you're new to my channel, this is our guest room, and I basically use this as my beauty room slash guest room. So it still has a bed, but I added a mini desk in one corner, and then all my storage area for spare makeup and all that stuff is on one end. So it's kind of like a messy corner, but you don't really see it unless you actually get into the room because it's all in one corner. So on this corner, you basically see just my storage. So I have some shoe boxes from Marshall's that I set up in this corner, and on the top shelf right there I have my purse collection. It's just my tiny purse collection. I have more in the closet, but these are the ones that I basically go for. And then over here I have these decorative boxes from Marshall's that I labeled for lashes and all the extra stuff that I have. Some more storage. So this is basically my craft corner. So it's a little bit messy looking, but it's kind of like an organized mess. That's how I justify this corner. So the only thing that is actually new here is the desk. That is pretty new. It's a very small desk from IKEA. And then instead of the love sign I used to have before, I got that one from Big Lots, and it says inspire, and I think it's so cute. So by my vanity area, nothing much has changed. I still keep my palettes here, and I update it once in a while. I have my TV, and then on the very top I have more storage little bins, and I just store random stuff in there just when I'm cleaning up. I have a little corkboard up top with some pictures for the family, and then my vanity is the same old. I updated the tabletop, and I added like this white wood little paper that I got from Amazon just to keep the top area neat and clean. My Alex drawer is still the same, nothing has changed. I still keep my fragrances on the top with some little decorative flowers that I DIY'd from the dollar store. Over in this corner, this is my messy cart, which I like that this one moves around when I need to clear the room. Every time I buy something new, or if I'm taking pictures of products to post on my Instagram, I put them back in here just to clear my desk area. And I love this. It's rose gold. I got it from Michael's for like $30, and I think it's definitely worth it. And it's decorative. It's like a decorative messy item. On the bottom of my vanity, I have those little drawers. I keep some nail polishes in there, and nothing much has changed in this corner. I have my eye brushes in this corner. This one spins, and then on one side I have this little organizer that I recently got from Marshall's, and things that I'm currently trying out just to keep the desk area clean. And then I have my face brushes here. A lot of these brushes probably need a shower because they are quite dirty. So that pretty much completes this quick room tour. I hope you guys enjoyed this. Stay tuned for more videos, and I will talk to you guys later, and I hope you have a great day. Bye!